You know, I think there's a stereotype that kids won't eat vegetables, but when you let a kid grow a vegetable garden, they're out there tasting green onions straight from the garden, or spicy red radish, or just chewing on spinach and lettuce like it's a popsicle. So we work with about 220 schools throughout the Kansas City metro area in their preschool through high school age students working in the garden. Here at SVN, Chef Paul is really trying to incorporate the garden into the cafeteria, and we work together to create a garden plan so we know when to plant and when to harvest so he can get optimal use out of the veggies, and also grow things that kids like and try a few new things to really expand kids' taste buds.
The great thing about Kansas City Community Gardens and the Schoolyard Garden program is that kids are not just learning about gardening. They're learning teamwork, responsibility. They're taking pride in the work that they're doing. We're able to take the things that they're doing in the garden and take it straight to our kitchen and then serve those vegetables and fruits to them, and they see the entire process. If that just sparks interest in a few families in our school community to have their own gardens and to start having a healthier lifestyle, I think we've done it then. That's where the magic is when it can leave our school and go into the homes in our community.